In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default styles on Mailchimp. This process is quick and ensures your email campaigns have a consistent and professional look tailored to your brand. Let's dive in and make it happen. First things first, go ahead and open up Mailchimp's website. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Mailchimp dashboard. From here you have a couple of navigation choices, either click on campaigns or head directly to templates. Both paths will lead you to the layout design options, so feel free to choose whichever you're most comfortable with. Once you're on the appropriate page, choose email templates. Here you have the flexibility to select an existing template that you've already created, or you can opt to design a brand new template. If you're new to designing templates, don't worry. Mailchimp's interface is quite user-friendly and intuitive. You'll get the hang of it in no time. After you've picked your template, enter the editor. This is where all the creative magic happens. Look for the Styles tab, or it might be labelled as the Design section, depending on which version of Mailchimp you are using. This is your command center for designing the aesthetics of your email. Within this section you'll find various styling options. Let's start with the page settings. Here, adjustments can be made to the background color, link color, and border styles. These settings will help in defining the overall frame and backdrop of your email, setting the tone right from the start. Next, you'll move on to the body section, where you can tweak the font, size, color, and line height of your text. Choosing the right font and colors is crucial as it ensures readability and aligns with your brand's identity. Take some time to experiment if needed, but keep consistency in mind. Now let's check out the header and footer options. These allow you to manage text styles, background color, and spacing for these specific sections of your email. These sections are important as they can house crucial information such as your company's logo or contact details, making your email look both comprehensive and polished. Don't overlook the buttons section. Here you can define the appearance of any call to action buttons in your email, tweaking everything from button colors to font and size. Getting this right can improve engagement, as a well-designed call to action button encourages clicks. After you've clicked on each section and are happy with the styles applied, your final step is crucial: click Save as Template. This action ensures all your hard work is captured so you can easily reuse the same design framework for future campaigns. Once saved, you're all set. You've successfully set your default styles in Mailchimp, making your future campaigns a breeze to create and visually cohesive. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.